The fifth rule of a private investor is observe investment discipline. In the third rule, we have already learned how to pick a financial plan or make your own financial plan. In the fourth rule, we learned to diversify our capital. And the fifth important rule is always observe investment discipline. What does it mean? For example, you invested in a number of instruments and one, let's say high-risk instrument, suddenly yielded an outstanding return a year later. And you think, let me take my money from all other projects and invest it into this instrument. And it often happens that all the money is gone. This is what we call violation of investment discipline. Let's take a second example and say you have made a financial plan and said, that's it, in 3 years I will start withdrawing part of the return. Suddenly, 2 years later, you receive excessive profits and you say, that's it, I want to take it back, withdraw. But you made yourself a plan that you would start withdrawing profits only 3 years later. Once you start deviating from your financial plan and violate financial discipline, the rules that you have set for yourself, bad things start happening to your capital. Therefore, the fifth rule is important. Always observe investment discipline.